How would I help you?
Like this. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It wasn't supposed to be like this. It was supposed to be Danny. I'm sorry. But you're close. You're close. And that'll bring him to me. It's gonna have to do. I'm sorry.